Welcome you friends. Now today I am going to discuss with you how to select the best brokerage. When anyone starts to enter into the market, then the first thing that everyone needs is the brokerage. And many of the people are confused to select the brokerage or they are not able to select the good brokerage according to the need. So today's lecture is about how to select your best brokerage so that you will be able to get much more benefit from the market. There are mainly two type of brokerage firms in India. Some of the funds providing many more services and they are really very costly. While some of the brokerage funds are not costly but they are not able to provide you more services. The both is good according to your need because no one is able to trade or invest in all the sector of the stock market. Some of the people select anyone or some of the people select one or two to trade or invest in the stock market. So the things we need to know is which sector we want to trade, and according to our need we will be able to select the brokerage. So today I will discuss with you some of the brokerage of India, like some of the discount brokerage who is not provide all the services but they are really very low cost, like Zerodha. Zerodha is one of the best discount brokerage firms of the India who provided rest 0 for delivery, yes 0, rest 20 per order for non-delivery. 20 rupees is debit from your account for non-delivery or maximum brokerage you pay is kept at rest 20 for any value. It means the number of traded you trade, rest 20 will be debit from your account. On the other hand, SES online, it will debit rest 9 per order. Unlimited trading plans like for rest 499 per month or 999 per month. This is lowest brokerage. Or I will suggest you, when you are on the initial stage of your trading or investing, then you must select these two company or either one of the company like Zerodha or SES online, because in initial stage you need to know each and every sector of the market, and if the brokerage is high then there may be possibility you may lose more money. So it is convenient to you to select Zerodha or SES online in your initial stage. Some of the more company who provided low trading cost like TradeJ, Genie, RKSV, etc. Okay. Now some of the companies who provided the full services brokerage and they are really costly. I will not suggest you to prefer the brokerage firms in your initial stage. When you are good on the stock market, when your trading is good, when your accuracy is good, then you may prefer the full services brokerage like Angel Broking, Motilal Oswal, ICICI Direct, Boneja, Sher Khan. These are the most full services brokerage of India. And on the third stage, stock brokerage in India offering 3-in-1 account. These are the brokerage services who provided both intraday, delivery, future and option. ICICI Direct, Axis Bank also providing intraday, delivery, future option, HDFC Securities. These are the top securities, Kotak Mahindra, State Bank. These are the brokerage firms who provided you both intraday, future option and delivery. brokerage. So this all is about the trading plans, brokerage fee, or your according to need, the selection of the brokerage firms, so that you will be able to get more benefit from the market. So that's all friend. I think you will be able to understand the concept of brokerage firms in India, and you will be able to select the best brokerage according to your need. That's all friend. Thank you.